Hello! So today I'm gonna be reviewing Wet and Forget outdoor cleaner for roofs. Hello again. So in today's video, Wet and Forget outdoor cleaner. We'll see if it's going to clean my roof. So I've already used partial of it and I'm gonna show you the result after the week. So to dilute it you need 2.5 cups of Wet and Forget with 1 gallon of water. As you can see, I've already used some, and now I'm going to continue and do a little bit more. After about the week, this is what I have. So kind of doesn't look really too clean, and I don't know, I'm just gonna go try to brush it with the brush, see how it's gonna look with the brush. But I don't really see much difference after a week, and we had a rain I think last night, so I don't see any dirt coming off. I sprayed it last week in the evening, and as you can see here, this area is totally clean, but when I sprayed it, it really didn't come off all the way. So I just took the brush and I used the brush and hose it down, and now it's clean. All the other stuff does not look too clean. And last week also I sprayed it in this area, left it on for a week, and I really don't see much difference. I also sprayed it on top. Again, I see really no difference, and I spray it right at the corner. So I don't know, maybe there was not enough sun to start working. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to go and spray just this part of the roof, leave it on for a week, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So you can see there's a huge difference when you scrub it with the brush. This area looks like totally perfectly now. So I don't know what to think about it after the week. Looks like, I don't know, doesn't work, or I need to really scrub it. I don't really want to scrub it. It's supposed to be Wet and Forget, so I'm gonna go spray this part and we'll see what happens. Honestly, I have no idea how 1 gallon is supposed to last the whole roof, because I just did those 1, 2, 3 tiles from up and down on both sides, on this side, on the other side, and it's almost gone. So you're gonna probably need, I don't know, multiple bottles of that solution to cover entire roof. So I think they claim that this 1 gallon will last for about 2,000 square feet. I don't think it's true, because again, I did like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, no, 6 rows over here, 3 rows over here, and 1 gallon is almost gone. And this is how much product is left when I only did really a couple of rows on my roof. I'm not even done with half of the roof, or even quarter, and you're gonna need a bunch of those to do the size roof that is about, I don't know, 1,500–1,700 square feet. My house is only 1,300 square feet. The tops are kind of clean, but the valleys are dirty. So whatever I have left, I'm just gonna spray in those valleys. My tiles also have some kind of like a little colors, black colors on it, so it looks like a dirt, but it's actually embedded inside of the tiles. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Honestly, I don't really have big hopes. And this area right here, I sprayed last week, and I don't really see much difference. So a week ago also I sprayed it right here on this part of the fence. This piece of wood still looks exactly the same as it was before. 1 week ago I sprayed also some on top. As you can see, not much difference. Same thing here. So 1 week maybe it's not enough. Same thing over here, same thing over here. No difference, no difference. So I don't know, maybe I'm trying to rush things and this works a little bit slower. We'll see. So this is of the first week. I don't really see much difference. Alright, so to recap, I sprayed this area again. This area right here, as you can see, I used my brush after using Wet and Forget, and this looks pretty good. In this area right here, I also just used just the water and brushed off some dirt, so this looks pretty good. This area still looks the same as last time. I sprayed a little bit over here and a little bit on the other side. So far I see no huge difference. So I'll keep you posted. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna try to record a video in next, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. So subscribe for updates, and then I'll let you know if this product actually works, or it's more than kind of not forget. It's not really Wet Forget, but it's just forget about your money. Hopefully that's not the case, but I'm gonna give you an honest opinion in next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.